Hi, I'm Alina Lovin with DreamMax here, and today I'm at number 100 at the Cottages on Lake Osoyoos, a waterfront community that features 1,800 feet of lakefront with over 500 feet of sandy beach, clubhouse, swimming pools, hot tubs, you name it. This particular floor plan, one of the most desirable here in the meadow at the Cottages, called Ambrosia, features high ceilings, large bedrooms, extra large master bedroom, and a ton of upgrades you must see to appreciate. If you have any questions or would like to view this listing or any other listings in Osoyoos or anywhere in the Okanagan, please contact me. Thank you for watching. I'll see you next time.